Okay, let's unlock the GMC combo today, July 21. How's your coins? Click mine. Then we have water bottle under gear. This one. Click and get. Okay. The second combo is digital nomad. Click workers. Then find the digital nomad. This one. Get. Okay. The last one is under spatial. Click spatial. Then find metaverse. Metaverse. Where's the metaverse? This one. Click here. Then get. Okay, daily combo set. This is the daily combo, guys, for July 21.